Today we're going to make a little vegetable garden for our Peter Rabbit play set. We're going to start with some thin cotton batting. It doesn't actually have to be cotton, but that's what I had on hand, and I'm going to just roll it up into little rolls. I'm making them about 1 inch thick. The main thing is that they're all about equally thick. And now once I've got them all rolled up and secured with hot glue, I am just going to cut them to the right size so that they'll fit right on the side of my little pathway here. And once they're at the right size, I'm just going to roll them up in some brown wool felt. You'll just want to do it whatever color you want your soil to be. And you'll just secure that with some hot glue so it stays there. It's okay if the edges don't match perfectly because they're going to be glued down onto your surface later. And you'll just repeat that with each of your little rolls of quilting batting. Now I've got each roll covered in wool felt. I want to make each of the ends a little bit nicer and neater, so I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on the end and just squeeze it tight and flat. You can do that with your finger, or if you don't want to get burned, you can use something like a chopstick just to press that flat. And I'm just going to do that on each end of every tube. And if you get to a tube and you see that the batting is sticking out a little bit, you can go ahead and trim that a little bit if you need to. Once I have all those ends done, I am just going to go ahead and glue this on to my surface. Because I'm doing this into a little suitcase play set, I am going to periodically make sure that my lid can close. I'm actually gluing these onto the lid, but you want to make sure that it can close. So that's why I keep closing the box back and forth as I work on that. And once they're all glued in, you can plant your vegetables in between each of the rows, and they're ready to plant and replant as needed.